everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create a self-signed certificate. With the help of this self-signed certificate, we will be able to run SailPoint IIQ instance over HTTPS. If you are working on a production server, then you must go for a CA certified certificate. But for a non-production environment, you can go for self-signed certificate, which you can easily generate with the help of Keytool of Java. To generate a self-signed certificate using Keytool, you have to go to the bin folder of the Java which SailPoint is using. So this is the bin folder of Java JDK which my SailPoint instance is using. Now I will open command prompt in bin folder, and here I will try to run a Keytool command, which is this. So I will just copy this command. This command is essentially saying that we are trying to generate a key pair using the command Keytool, and it is having an algorithm RSA, and the alias of the key is dev key. You can give any name here and create a key store at this location, and the key store file name will be key.cert. So I will just quickly go to my command prompt and I will paste this here. Now hit enter, and it will ask for certain informations like what is the password you want to enter. So I will simply give 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you can give any password which you want and re-enter your password, which is again I'm entering 1 2 3 4 5 6, and it will ask for certain details like first name, last name. So I will enter the server name of my system where SailPoint IIQ is installed. So Cyber Courses is the full server name of the instance. Give any unit name, and you can give the organization name, city and province, and the country name in 2 letters. So this is the confirmation of the common name, and you have to enter yes. Now it will try to generate the key pass once again, so you have to enter once again, no need to enter the password once again here. So now you can see in my D drive cert folder you have a key generated here. Once the key is generated, then the next step would be to modify your server.xml, and this server.xml you can find in a location conf folder of your Apache Tomcat. So there you have to paste this XML. This has the information of the port on which HTTPS. Password. not secure. trusted. That is obvious because we are using our self-signed certificate, not any trusted CA root certificate. So that is fine for our development. You can also log in with your IP address, which is, for me, it is 1.8:443. Don't forget the port name. And here we have SailPoint running with the IP address. So this is it from this tutorial, where we learned how to generate our self-signed certificate for our development instance. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.